Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're up here at the Nightmare Factory Wabash in Wabash, Indiana. This is a brand new attraction to North Central Indiana. They've got two different attractions. They've got the Macabre Manor and Unit 713. We're going to take you through both of them tonight. They have got a coffin simulator and a morgue cooler experience. Without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Get on in there!
Get on in there, she said.
Oh no! No! Ew! Ew, it's touching me! It's touching me! Ew! What are you doing here? This is disgusting!
No problem.
Oh no! Go that way! Oh Lord! Oh, what are you doing to that lady?
Oh, she's levitating.
Oh my God! Look at those! They're coyotes.
Buy a head.
I did! Hey, did you put these heads here? Oh my! Oh God! That's a pig.
Want to play games?
I do.
Shoot!
Play rock, paper, scissors.
Yes.
Running with scissors?
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh.
Yeah! You want to stand me forever?
Yeah. No.
Oh my goodness! Yeah. What is that? Oh goodness! Man, they really. I would not stay here.
No.
Oh my goodness!
Step down. Step.
Whoa! The zombies are getting closer. Whoa! That's freaking cool.
Oh no. Ow.
Ow! Ow! Oh my goodness!
Oh, there's stuff on the feet.
Things are touching me. I don't know, but I like all these animals. Ooh.
Where are you going?
Oh, where'd you come from? Oh, what the hell? Oh, not you again.
Oh, no,
I don't need it. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Hello.
What is this? Oh, Lord. We've got
Oh, wow.
a little something there. He's got something in his hand. It's a pig. He's killed the pig.
Yep.
Hello.
What is
Here
that?
to play?
Oh, that's
We
a
are here to
flying
play.
thingy.
Are you here to play?
Look at the
with me,
ghost.
Teddy?
Yes, we are.
You are?
What
Yes.
in the world? What in the world?
Oh,
it's
he's
a
so
teddy.
cute.
I love my Teddy.
I did too. Yeah, it's cute.
Did you guys come to play with us?
Yeah.
We're gonna go get
Oh,
more
now he's
friends
red.
too.
Oh, what is that? Whoa. Wow. They're mad in the office. What was in there? Oh, good God. Oh, my. Oh my God.
Oh no.
I don't think I like this guy.
Unfortunately, we gotta
I
pass
don't know about this. He looks at us and says dinner. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. Man, what is it? Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful tune. Yeah. There's the
That has
other
ever
part of
happened
the
in a beetle.
car. It actually crashed through the wall.
Wow.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh my God.
Where'd you go, Trevor?
Oh my God, Trevor done lost his shiznit. Oh, Tyler!
Oh.
The still creature is swinging! Oh, bye!
Why are you running?
I don't know. I'm not running. Oh, I'm not running.
That's Trevor!
That's who? No.
That's Trevor!
Yeah. No, my name is not that.
God.
What do you need help with?
You're getting scared. What's happened? Oh.
I don't think I can help with whatever that is.
It's just some zombies. Oh God. Oh my. Somebody's having. Oh my goodness, that one was real. That one was nice and bloody. Oh, there's two of them. There's a baby crying.
Oh no.
Oh.
The horror.
Oh no.
Baby.
I don't want them. Trust me. I don't want no part of that. No part of that. Oh, whoa. Don't let her out. Ooh, there's lots of The doctor's in. Uh-oh, he's coming. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Oh,
They
no.
walked us all.
Oh my.
Okay, all right. Well, we don't know where we are. Uh-oh.
I follow.
There's something behind you. You have crosses on it.
Unique treatment! I need one of unique treatment!
There's a
I
random
don't,
head.
but somebody back there probably does.
Which
I
one
don't.
is gonna be our sacrifice?
Not it.
Not
yeah,
it.
nose goes.
Lindsay, you're the last one. Oh, shoot.
The rest of you, around the corner to the window.
Yo, the observation room.
Oh, we get to watch. Oh,
Ah! Strap her down!
oh God. I know. He just grabbed
He's been
me.
marked too.
Uh-oh. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Oh my God.
Oh, Lindsay.
Oh.
Get out!
Whoa,
I
what the fuck?
don't want it. Ew.
You can have
What
it.
are you eating?
It's your time!
You're not supposed to
I
eat
think that might
that.
be.
Huh?
It's your turn! Come on!
I'm coming.
Turn for what?
Get in the cooler!
Get in
Oh,
the cooler.
The cooler?
Get in the cooler!
Oh my.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
Get in the icebox, go!
Oh, the ice.
Okay, okay.
No more cooler.
Nice box. Oh, we gotta put that one in that. Oh, there's a. Oh, what's that? What do you call that?
Oh my, they don't look good at all.
What in the world? Shock therapy. Whoa! That's shock therapy. Woo! Oh my goodness. I don't know if I like that. Oh my God. Oh, I don't like that. Oh no.
Hello.
You stay in there. Oh, no. Oh God. Ah! Okay. We'll make that one mad. Where are they? Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Oh no.
So we made it. That's great.
I've been instructed to get up here and hold on to the pole. Oh God. I've officially pole danced at a haunted house now. Getting into the morgue cooler now. The actual morgue cooler, a real morgue cooler. Actual dead bodies have been on this slab. All right, laying down. This thing is actually cold also. All right. Here we go. All right, sliding in. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Actually, in a real morgue cooler, you can kind of see the air condensing. Beam me out, Scotty. All right, guys, well, that was it for Nightmare Factory Wabash here in Wabash, Indiana. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. We're going to a bunch of haunts up here in northern Indiana. I've got one of them linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.